Good evening, students and families. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the Google Translate extension to your Google Chrome browser. The first step would be to go to the Chrome Web Store in a Google search and go ahead and select the first option. Once you're in the web store, go ahead and type in Google Translate. As you can see, it's the first option that appears. Click on Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. As you can see, it has now been added to your Google Chrome, and this is what the icon looks like. Now, there's a couple of ways to use the Google Translate feature. So for example, let's say that you're reading an article, and this is an article that's from an online magazine called Newsela. And so students that might struggle with a few words or maybe phrases, they can actually translate parts of text to Spanish if they need it. So for example, let's say I have a student who just wants to translate this. They can highlight any part of the article and then simply do a right click and then Google Translate. And as you can see here on the left, it's English. So that was detected from the article. And then on the right, you would need to just click on Spanish and then you get a direct translation into Spanish. You can also translate the whole page. So again, come over to your extensions, look for Google Translate, and then you can click on Translate this page. And so right over here on the left, you would switch it to Spanish. And now the whole article is translated into Spanish. So again, just a few ways that you can use Google Translate to make your reading a little bit more enjoyable and so that you could understand more of it if Spanish is your native language. Or if you're just looking to learn more Spanish, then this would be a good way to practice your Spanish skills as well.